Hi friends, welcome back to Parnika tutorials. In this video, I want to discuss how to embed an image into the web page. So I sincerely request everyone to watch the complete video for better understanding. If you look at any web page, the web page consists of text information and also the images. If you look at the one of my website is parnikatutorials.in. Now you can see there are several images are here, like if you can see 10 plus courses, that is a one image, 900 plus tutorials, that is another image, and you can see several images are there in this web page. Now how can we embed these images to the web page? We will discuss. Now lot of people will think that images are inserted into the web page. That is completely wrong. We will never insert the images into the web page. We will link the images to the web page. We use the IMG tag to link the image to the web page. So the IMG tag creates a holding space for the referenced image. Now you need a space. That space will be provided with the help of the IMG tag. So it creates a holding space for the referenced image. The IMG tag has various attributes. However, we use the 4 attributes such as SRC, ALT, width and height. Now let me discuss in detail about the SRC attribute. Whenever you want to link a image to the web page, you need to provide the path of the image, right? So that path will be provided with the help of SRC attribute. So the SRC attribute specifies the path of an image. Now there are two situations here whenever you are providing the path. One situation is, now wherever you have saved this program, in the same folder the image can be there, or the image can be there in the different folder also. In these two scenarios, you need to provide the path in different ways. Those things we will discuss practically. So the SRC attribute specifies the path of the image. Now let me discuss in detail about the ALT attribute. The ALT attribute is nothing but an alternate. What is the meaning of this alternate? Now whenever the image has not been displayed due to any reason, one reason is that your internet is slow or the image is not found. In any of these reasons, you need to provide some error, right? Or some information. That information can be provided with the help of the ALT attributes. So the ALT attribute specifies an alternate text for the image. If the image for some reason cannot be displayed, the alternate text will be displayed. Now let me discuss in detail about the width and height attributes. Now if you does not provide the width and height attributes, then the image will be displayed in the entire web page, whatever the size of the image. But you want to reduce the size of the image, so that you can do with the help of the width and height attribute. So the width attribute specifies the width of an image and the height attribute specifies the height of an image. So using these two attributes, you can specify the width and height of an image. Now let me discuss the generalized syntax of using the IMG tag in HTML. So you need to write IMG and then you need to provide the SRC attribute. In that SRC attribute, you need to provide the path of the image. Then you can provide the alternate text by keeping the ALT attribute, whatever the text you want to display. Let me write alternate text. And then if you want to provide the width and height, that you can provide here. Suppose let's take that width is 400 and height is some 300, that you can provide here. And then you need to close the tag. Now this is the generalized syntax of providing the IMG tag in HTML. All these concepts we will discuss practically by writing a simple program. Now let me go to the desktop, HTML programs. Here we have several programs. Now let me create the new text document and then I will write it as images. And the extension should be HTML or HTM. Then it will ask us to, are you sure you want to change it? Yes, I want to change the extension. Then it will give the logo of the default browser. Now let me right click on this, open with Notepad++. And then I need to open the HTML tag. For that, I can even provide the a doc type HTML. That is not compulsory, but anyway we will provide. So I have opened the HTML tag and closed the HTML tag. Inside this one I will have the head tag and body tag. Let me open the head tag and close the head tag. Inside the head tag I will provide the title tag. So the title tag will consist of the title of the web page. I will say images, and let me close the title tag, and whatever the content you want to display, that information you will provide inside the body tag. So let me open the body tag and close the body tag, and here I will write the IMG tag and I will provide the src of source of the image. Now look at here, I have one image in this folder itself where our program is there. There is a file name called parnika.jpg. Now let me provide the path as parnika.jpg. So the image is there in the same folder of this program. Then I will provide the alt here, and then let me write image not found. This text I want to display whenever the image is not there. Let me save this one and let me close it, or let me minimize this one, and now let me right click on this one, open with Microsoft Edge. So you are running this program. Now if I am opening with Microsoft Edge, now you can see the image has been displayed a very large one. Like this, if you provide in a web page, it does not look good. If I want to provide the width and the height of an image, then I need to use the attributes such as width and height. Let me provide the width as 300 and height also as 300. And now let me save this one and let me minimize it and let me run this program. So open with Microsoft Edge. Now you can see the image has been displayed properly as the width as 300 and the height as 300. So whatever the size you want, that size you can provide in the web page. Now let's consider that I have removed this image, or I can change the name of the image. Now the image is not there, what will happen? If the image is not there, what will happen? You can see I am running the program in Microsoft Edge. Now you can see we got an error. What is the error we got? Image not found. The image it is searching, but the image is not there. So that's why you got an error called image not found. This error we have provided as an alternate text. If it does not provide the alternate text, what will happen? You can see alt attribute I have removed. In this case, what will happen? Let me run this program, open with Microsoft Edge. Now you can see the holding space for the referenced image has been created, but the image is not there, and even the alternate text is also not there. So that's why you are getting the holding space for the referenced image. I hope it is clear for you. Now what we will do is that we will take an image which is available in different folder, or let's consider that there is an image called p2.jpg in the desktop. If I want to provide such image, then if I simply provide as p2.jpg, then it will show an error for you, or I can say the image will not be displayed as an output for you. If you want to verify, let me run this program in Microsoft Edge. Now you can see we are not getting that image. If you write the alt attribute, then the alternate text will be displayed, image not found. Let me minimize this one and run the program. Open with Microsoft Edge. Now you can see as the image is not displaying, the alternate text has been displayed, image not found. Why this issue we are getting? It is searching for the p2.jpg where the program is there. The program is there in the desktop HTML programs. In that one, can you able to see any JPG image with the name as p2.jpg? Not there. So that's why the image has not been displayed and the alternate text have been displayed. If you want to display the image which is there in the desktop, then what you need to do is that you need to provide the entire path. How can you do it? You can go to the show more options, properties. There you can see the entire path is there. Copy that location and paste it here. Okay, so it is there in the C. users /dm/33 desktop. So here what you need to do, you need to provide the forward slash instead of backward slash. Okay, those changes you need to do. Now let me save it and let me minimize this one and let me run the program for you. Open with Microsoft Edge. Now you can see the p2.jpg image has been displayed. If you want to verify whether that is the image or not, yes, this is the image of the Parnika. Okay, so the image has been displayed properly now. So this is the way you can display the image in a web page, or I can say you can link an image in the web page. Even we have another attribute called title. What is that one? We will discuss now. Let me write title as Parnika. Okay, let me save this one, minimize it, and let me go to the Microsoft Edge and let me replace this one. Now if you go to the image, there is a text has been displayed. What is the text has been displayed? Parnika. So earlier if I remove this title attribute, then if I go to the on top of the image, nothing will be displayed. If you want to verify, let me run it. Now whether any text have been displayed whenever the cursor have been moved onto the image? No. But if I use this attribute called title and then let me run the program, now you can see when the cursor is outside the image, nothing has been displayed. But if I am moving the cursor on top of the image, then Parnika text have been displayed. So this is the way you can use the title attribute in the IMG tag. I hope you have understood how to embed an image in HTML using the IMG tag. If you still have any doubts related to this concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching the complete video. Have a nice day.